Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out a product from a brand that I'm not familiar with, which I love to try out new makeup brands that I get in Ipsy, and I got this in my August 2022 Ipsy Clam Bag X, which that unboxing video is up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. But this is the Live Tinted, is the brand, Huestick, for eyes, cheek, and lip. And I love a multitasking product, so I'm excited to see how this is. It's clean, vegan, non-comedogenic, and it retails for $24. I got it in the shade Perk, and I really like this packaging, this copper color. It's like a metal feel, and it's like this chubby stick pencil that twists up. And I'm excited to see how this shade is going to look on me. First, let's start out with a swatch. Ooh, a very pigmented and creamy. This could work for lips, cheeks, maybe eyes. I just kind of shy away from like peachy pink shades on my eyes because I already have like redness on my eyes, especially lately. The eczema on my eyelids has really been flaring up, adding more of like a pink eyeshadow than I want. And so let's try this out in all those different techniques. First, I want to see how it is on my lips. That's where I think I'm going to have the most luck with this color. And I love that it's this like stick pencil shape, so maybe I can do like a lip liner effect as well. Let's see. Yes, this could definitely work as a lip liner. It's a little bit lighter than my natural lip color, so if this doesn't look good all over my lips, I could get away with using this as a lip liner or maybe just an ombre effect to focus it in the center of my lips. But let's see how it looks all over my lips. I don't like this color on my lips. Oh. It is impressive how pigmented it is. Since it is so much lighter than my natural lip color, it's still showing up opaque. It's looking bright, like not necessarily color-wise, but compared to my natural lip color, that's pretty impressive amount of pigment. But yeah, not my most flattering shade. Let's see how it is on my cheeks. Maybe that'll be better. I'm just gonna just draw on a little bit. And let's see, ooh, it is creamy and blendable. So you can see like I already have the natural redness in my cheek, but this is typically how I wear my blush on a day-to-day basis, which is just like on top of the redness in my cheeks to try and even that color out. And I like this shade. It's not like as red as the redness in my cheeks, so it gives more of that sun-kissed flush of color, which is what I prefer. So I'm really liking this shade on my cheek, even though it didn't work out for my lips. Maybe I'm going to stick to this side of my face, and let's see how it looks on the eye. It's actually coming across more orange on my eye. That's actually kind of pretty. I feel like I can't really get away with just wearing this shade alone, but yeah, when I blend it out like that, it looks too much like the eczema on my eyelid flaring up. But in a smaller amount on my eyelid, it could be a pretty little orange, add kind of like a sunset effect to maybe an eyeshadow look. But the color definitely is not my best. I think the only use for the color for my skin tone is going to be for my cheek, which it does look very pretty on the cheek, like smooth texture. It's definitely not working on my lips. It is emphasizing the texture on my lips as well, which can definitely happen with the lighter shades. So all in all, this product is okay. I'm definitely not blown away by it. Definitely not going to be using this all that often. But I am still interested to try out more products from this brand, Live Tinted. So if you've tried any, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of them, if you have any recommendations. I look so funny right now with only half of my face done and the lip, but I just know this is not working for me. And here you can see the difference it made. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.